Hi everyone, I'm Eric Delanian with the Delanian Real Estate Advisors. Today we're presenting our newest listing of 49-unit portfolio spread across various cities.
This is Shant Sherbetdjian with Southern California Apartment Group. This is building 1 of the portfolio, 30 units in North Montebello. Let's go take a look.
This property is located in one of North Montebello's most desirable pockets, just north of Beverly Blvd. It features an excellent unit mix, 4 spacious 2-bedroom, 2-bath units, 18 2-bedroom, 1-bath units, and 8 1-bedroom, 1-bath units. With minimal turnover the past decades, this is a true value-add building offering a realistic rental upside of approximately 38%. The building includes 2 on-site laundry rooms, covered and garage parking, and a walkability to restaurants, shops, and amenities along Beverly and Montebello Boulevard. And importantly, the property is only subject to statewide AB 1482 with no additional local rent control.
This is a rare first-time offering after 47 years of ownership.
Please reach out to us. All our information is down below. And don't forget to check out the rest of the portfolio.